Well, we're learning more about a bacteria most dogs have in their saliva.
Yeah, and it's something that you can contract if your pet does bite you. In fact, a Wisconsin woman died suddenly at the end of June after her family's new dog nipped at her, causing a small cut. Well, after severe flu-like symptoms, Sharon Larson was rushed to the hospital, sadly dying just 2 days later. Larson's doctor saying this deadly infection was linked to her dog's saliva.
Keeping your family safe tonight, we had WATE 6 on your side reporter Laura Holm looking into the bacteria, speaking with East Tennessee doctors about what you need to know.
Today's walk is with Toby. Albert Murrian owns a pet care business, but he's got a dog of his own, Rosie.
She's very affectionate, but she's also kind of likes to roughhouse.
Murrian says he's never really thought about a bite making him sick.
But if a dog accidentally bites me, I always wash my hands.
Capnocytophaga is a bacteria that vets say about 3/4 of dogs have.
And it's a normal flora that lives in their mouth, and it's not a big deal.
Doctors say it's incredibly rare for those organisms to be transmitted to humans. But if it happens, it's with people with severely weakened immune systems.
It's really important for people that have severe liver disease or people that have lost their spleen. Those patients, if they're bitten by a dog, would need preventive antibiotics from their doctor.
I'm told the signs and symptoms generally feel like catching a cold or coming down with the flu.
And the wound may not even look infected with capnocytophaga, so you can't rely on it starting to look bad in your hand before you get sick. This is one of those bacteria that once it gets in your body, it can spread rapidly through your bloodstream.
Doctors say if we have pets in our home, we're exposed to this bacteria every day, though there are preventative steps we can take.
Don't get completely worried and freak out, but just taking good precautions. So if you're ever bitten or scratched or even licked, make sure that you do good hygiene where you wash that area with good warm soap. Clean it up.
It's good to know. It's definitely something to think about.
Now, cats can carry this bacteria too, and while it doesn't make them sick, we need to remember that this bacteria can be spread through bites, scratches, and really just close contact. But again, that's incredibly rare. The CDC is saying if you've been bitten by a dog or a cat, make sure that you call your doctor right away, even if you don't feel sick. Reporting in Knoxville, Laura Holm, WATE 6 on your side.
Results may change. That's because the organism is passed simply by contact with other animals.
We're also told if you're at a higher risk of infection here, speak to your doctor about precautions you can take when coming in contact with pets.